campaigned against social discrimination of Dalits, women and labor. He was independent India's first law minister and principal architect of Constitution of India. Ambedkar was a prolific student, earning a law degree of various doctorates from Columbia University and London School of Economics, and gained a reputation as a scholar for research in law, economics, and political science. In his early career, he was an economist, professor, and lawyer. His later life was marked by political activities, where he became involved in India's independence, campaigning by publishing journals advocating political rights and social freedom for untouchables, and contributing significantly to establishment of State of India. In 1956, he converted to Buddhism, initiating mass conversions of Dalits. In 1990, Ambedkar was conferred with Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award. Ambedkar legacy includes numerous memorials and depictions in popular culture. Ambedkar was the first Indian to pursue an economics doctorate degree abroad. According to the industrialization and agriculture industry growth could enhance the economy of nation. He stressed on money investment in agriculture industry as primary industry of India. According to Sharad Pawar, Ambedkar benefited the government in accomplishing the food security goal. Now I am going to share a few precious words of Ambedkar that are my final words to advise to you are educate, agitate and organize. Have faith in yourself. With justice on your side, I do not see how we can lose a battle. The battle to me is a matter of joy. The battle is fullest sense spiritual. There is nothing material or social in it. For us, it's a battle not for wealth or for power. It's a battle for freedom. You must abolish your slavery yourself. Do not depend for the violation upon God or a superman. Remember that it's not enough that the people are numerically in the majority. They must be always watchful, strong, and self-respecting to attain and maintain success. To must shape your course yourself by ourselves. It's a day of celebration and glorification. It's a day for the most important person who taught the lesson of self-confidence. Happy Ambedkar Jayanti. Thank you.